Today I have a huge makeover for you. We're working in a family linen closet and it is enormous. It is such a big closet. It's such a blessing to have, but it's also easy to stash stuff and forget about it. So today we're going to pull everything out and start to get it organized. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know we're a very large family. We're 7 people in this house, so this is the primary linen closet that everyone uses. And my experience is that when I have organization solutions in place, everyone knows where to find things and where to put them back, which is the key to organization and the beauty of organization. This closet needs that help, so today we're going to get that started. In this closet, the main thing I want to do is make sure front and center and easy access is focused on medicines, back stock, so any shampoo or toothpaste that we have, that if anybody needs it, they know where to find it. And anything else like first aid, bandages, all of that kind of stuff will be front and center. And then on the sides, I'll store things that are less frequently used. These shelves really need to be replaced, so my husband's going to do that for me, which is so nice, while I focus on all the rest of the stuff. My favorite way to approach a project like this is to pull everything out, get it into an area where I can see everything and I can start to focus. What I like to do is I like to do a macro sort where I take everything and put like things together. So for example, all the shampoo and body wash will go in one section, all the medicines will go in one section, all the linen in one section. And then what I'll do is I'll take each one of those sections and start to organize and sort and decide what I want to keep. I'll check to see if things are expired and, you know, make decisions. And then once I have a final sort and everything's kind of put together, I'll then determine what kind of organization solutions to put in place and start to put them together. Today I'm going to tackle the Band-Aids. I feel like this will probably be an area I spend a lot of time, but I think it'll be so worth it. I want to organize the Band-Aids so that when someone needs one, it's easy to find the size and one that they want, and they don't just start going through all the boxes and making a disaster. So let me know what you think of the solution. This is something I've seen someone else do. I'm not sure where, but I put a different spin on it. So let me know what you think. These bags are really neat. They're called Poly Zip, and what's nice about them, they're a nice, durable bag, and they're a good size for Band-Aids. And what I like about them is it has a little front pocket so that I can take one of the Band-Aids and slip it in there so that when someone's looking at this bag, they can easily determine if that's the Band-Aid that they want. They don't just start opening things up and then finding out, oh, that's not the one I want, and then go on to the next box. So I think this is a really great solution for us. I am so excited to toss all these boxes. For today's project, I'm primarily using this type of container. There's two different sizes, one's larger and one's smaller. What I like about these is I'm able to put product in here and it doesn't just fall and get messy. So because it has the inserts, it kind of puts some structure and keeps things a little bit more organized within the bin itself. For the backstock items, I'm not as concerned about having, more structure within the bin. So I'm using these less expensive bins for anything where I'm storing shampoo, toothpaste, anything like that. So these will work out nicely. Okay, the nice shelves are in. They have nice mid supports, which is nice. The other ones were kind of sagging and wasn't a good situation. So these beautiful shelves are in thanks to my husband. And now I'm going to dry fit putting in the main components, which are the bins I just filled up. So let's see how those look. Okay, that all looked great. So now moving on to the back stock. This should be pretty easy and quick. Okay, I think that's gonna work out good. The containers are clear, you can easily see what's in them. They're labeled and everybody should be able to easily access them. So I'm happy with how the backstock turned out. So let's start placing less frequently used items into the sides of the closet. Please share with me any secrets you have to keep your linen closet smelling fresh. I tried these dryer sheets. I don't think that's going to help very much. Comment below. This may not be something you'd normally put in a linen closet, but for us, this is what works best. I got a door solution for storing wrapping paper, anything associated with wrapping gifts. And the nice thing is, because when you close this door, I think there'll be just enough room for the solution to fit when the door is closed. So let's see how this works. I love it. I love how this turned out. This structure is going to really help my family so that they'll know where to put things and know where to find things. And I just feel like it's a better use of the space. I refer to this makeover as not so Pinterest worthy, and I do because, you know, everybody's storage needs to suit them. And yes, I've got small appliances in here, I've got some longer term storage items, but I have the space and it works for my family. Not everybody puts a gift wrap station inside their linen closet, but again, it works for us. So it may not be Pinterest worthy, but that's okay, it's perfect for us. This type of project takes about a day to complete, so if you have a day, I hope you're inspired to tackle a closet or anything that you've been wanting to put some organization to. It makes such a difference. When you open the door and you see all this organization place, it just makes you feel better versus my before picture. So I hope you're inspired to tackle something in your space, and please join me next time. Hit subscribe. See you later. Bye.